I'm extremely late, and pray for me.
Baby girl love my bop and I like me too. No roof on my top and my babe see through. Hating on the pen, don't stop, shit ain't.
Good morning, it is me, it is I, Adadioma, and welcome back to the vlog. Today I'll be sharing with you a week in my life as a law student. I would be going to classes, doing the necessary, so we need to have a bath, pack my bag, brush, and yeah, get ready for class. It's about 8 a.m. now, it's a new week, it's Monday, so I might as well just make this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. Okay, bye.
Hi guys, good morning. I just got back to school some weeks ago. As I said in my last video, I had been having exams for the past 2 weeks. So I ended exams on Tuesday and classes started today, or is to start today. So my first class of jurisprudence is by 11 a.m. yes, and right now it's like 10, maybe 40 something. Last time I checked, 40 something like that. So I want to finish dressing up. I want to bob my wig because here isn't. It's not looking as bobbed as I want it to be. What's happening? I've dressed up in my white and my black. Look cute as a law student. Yeah, I think I'll just see you guys on my way out. I've packed my bag, done the necessaries. I'll see you guys on my way out. So let me bob my wig.
So my class is for about 2 hours. This is Akio Solomajiri Lecture Theatre. Upstairs you find the e-library, and underground you find the actual physical library. We kind of missed the class location. It's actually holding our class area, so we're off to class area where we're going to have our jurisprudence class. As I said, it's going to last for about 2 hours. So this is the class location. It's at the moot court. Yeah, so we're going to have our class in a little bit. This is my friend Desire. Yeah. So as I said, it's the first week of class. We're doing more introduction to the course and taking down course outline. We're dismissed pretty early because we didn't have much to do, just introductions. So we could take this really cute video of Mona and I. Class was dismissed, as you can see. So it's almost 2. I have jurisprudence 2 and I need to start heading to my next class. See you guys.
Staring at the stars in the back of my car, trying to figure out just who we are. Catching moments on our phones, taking pictures, call it home. Picking words out of our favorite songs, We can stay up all night. Yeah, we'll show them we were right. The city is ours.
Guys, it's another Tuesday and I'm extremely late for my class. I'm vlogging on the road, so I don't know if you can hear me. Extremely late, and pray for me. So I have labor law, which is right now. I don't know the time right now, but like yes, right now. And I have, what else do I have? I have company law right after. I just have 2 stuff for today. So yeah, I think I'll give you guys a tour later.
So it turns out I wasn't too late for my labor law class, but like after class I got really hungry, so I went to the mini grocery on my campus to like get some snacks so I could chew on before my next class. So this is the mini grocery store on my campus.
Hi guys, so we're done with company law and it was an amazing class. Nothing too serious. Please stop taking a video of me because I'm shy. It was an amazing class. It was a 2-hour class. Nothing too serious. 7 a.m. to 9, I believe. Yeah. And we're done now. We're not let off early this time around. So well, cute. I got this really cute bottle for my friend face. So cute. Yeah, so I took a picture for my thumbnail before I left, and I'll share pictures with you guys maybe. Oh, you see it now in thumbnail. So yeah, we're trying to get food, so that's how life goes.
Hi guys, so it's been a day. I just had company law, but like I'm extremely exhausted. So it's time to eat and then I'll probably sleep. I'm tired. I think I'll study later at night. I don't know. I just want to sleep. See you guys some other time.